Gavas. I am from St. John High School, Sakhalin, Goa. I wanted to thank CM for giving us cycle from CSR Mutual Fund.
My name is Vedangi Shari. I am from St. John High School. I am here for thanking PM for giving us cycle from CSI.
So my name is Govind Gavas. I work as a Senior Vice President at Canara Robeco. So Canara Robeco is a mutual fund arm of Canara Bank and Robeco from Netherlands. It's a joint venture which has been in India for the last 15 years. So every year, annually, we have been doing CSR activity. When the late Mr. Manor Parikar was there, we used to finance close to 1.5 CR for Goa education schools. And post-COVID, we have started call as distributing cycles pan-India wherever we have branches. So every year we have budget of around 3 to 4 CR, wherein we distribute close to 4 to 5,000 cycles pan-India. And this is one such initiative which we have a branch in Goa. We have been distributing 200 cycles today in the hands of our CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant. And we try to reach the masses and particularly the rural population of India and Goa, because we see that if rural India grows, Indian economy will grow, and that's the perfect way of touching a 5 trillion economy which our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi aspires to. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.